Extraordinary earthquakes. Earthquakes are amazing and unique. Devastating earthquakes. There are several factors that make an earthquake an earthquake. One is that the earth has to shake. This makes earthquakes happen a lot. Another factor is that a seismograph has to pick up the shaking. The third factor is that it can range from when people can't feel it to when it causes great destruction. That is what makes earthquakes very unique.
There are many different things that cause an earthquake. One thing that causes earthquakes are human actions. Some of these human actions are digging, mining, ice skating, and roller skating. An earthquake is also caused by tectonic plates shifting and bumping into each other. When the tectonic plates are moving, they touch and get stuck together, which creates a huge amount of energy that breaks through. The last thing that causes an earthquake is when the seismic waves hit Earth's surface, the Earth shakes.
When an earthquake occurs, a lot of things happen. One of these things is a process called liquefaction. In liquefaction, the ground cracks and black liquid seeps out. Buildings then sink underground and signs and cars might be thrown around due to the fact that the ground is unstable. Another effect is that the seismic waves break gas pipes, causing fires. Firefighters cannot fight the fires because the water pipes are broken and there is a water shortage. There are a lot of ways to be safe during an earthquake. One is to study earthquakes and know what will happen. Another is to go under a sturdy table or chair and hold on. There are also ways to protect buildings from earthquakes. For example, you can build a building with fire and water-resistant materials. You can make the building flexible to withstand earthquakes. You should also make a family plan and be ready for disasters like earthquakes. As you can see, there are many ways to be safe during an earthquake. There was an earthquake on March 12, 2011 in northern Japan. It measured a 9 magnitude. The Japan residents were already prepared for an earthquake since earthquakes happen the most in Japan, so the earthquake didn't do much damage. It was the tsunami that the earthquake caused that did a lot of damage. The tsunami destroyed a nuclear reactor plant, which caused tons of radiation to spill out. Now where the tsunami hit is a ghost town. It is predicted that it will take 200 to 300 years to clean the radiation up.
Did you know the deadliest earthquake was in China in 1956 and killed about 130,000 people, but the second strongest earthquake only kills about 255,000 people. Did you know that the earthquake in Indonesia changed the pull of gravity, reshaped the earth, and made days 1/1,000,000th of the second shorter? Did you know that about 30 minor earthquakes that you can't feel happen every day in California? Did you know that some of the most deadliest earthquakes in the world are in Japan, Taiwan, Chile, and California? Did you know that because tectonic plates are moving, geologists say that in 70 million years, Los Angeles will be neighbors with Alaska? Did you know the largest earthquake happened in Chile and had a 9.5 magnitude?
Liquefaction is when solid ground behaves like liquid. A seismograph is an instrument that measures earthquakes.
Seismic waves are waves of damage during an earthquake separated into groups: primary, secondary, and ground waves. Seismologists are scientists who study earthquakes.
Tectonic is relating to the structure of the Earth's crust. Magnitude measures how strong an earthquake is. Radiation are damaging waves that are bad for the human body and cause cancer.
Thanks
Thanks for watching!